Do you struggle with foot fungus, bad odor, or itchy toes? Today, I'll show you 3 powerful natural remedies, lemon, ginger, and apple cider vinegar, that can help reduce fungal growth and keep your feet fresh and healthy. Let's get started. These 3 ingredients have been used for centuries for their antifungal and antibacterial properties. Lemon contains citric acid, which fights fungi and eliminates odor. Ginger has gingerol, a natural antifungal and anti-inflammatory compound. Apple cider vinegar creates an acidic environment where fungus cannot survive. Together, they form a simple but powerful natural treatment. To make a lemon foot soak, squeeze 2 fresh lemons into a bowl of warm water. Mix well and soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps disinfect the skin, reduce odor, and slow down fungal growth. For the ginger soak, boil a handful of ginger slices in 1 liter of water for 10 minutes. Let the mixture cool until warm, then soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Ginger reduces itching, swelling, and gently fights fungus. One of the most effective natural options is apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 cup of ACV with 2 cups of warm water. Soak your feet for 20 minutes every day. The vinegar lowers the pH of your skin, making it harder for fungus to survive. For even better results, you can combine all 3. Mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, the juice of 1 lemon, and 5 to 7 slices of fresh ginger in 1 liter of warm water. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes daily for 7 to 10 days. After each treatment, always dry your feet completely, especially between the toes. Wear clean socks, avoid sharing slippers, and let your feet breathe whenever possible. These natural remedies can help reduce fungal symptoms and keep your feet smelling fresh. If your condition does not improve after 1 to 2 weeks, or if the infection is severe, please seek medical treatment. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.